Tom Hand here with Americana Corner. Today we are discussing the First Amendment rights of assembly and petition. The First Amendment in part states, Congress shall make no law abridging the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Prior to the American Revolution, colonial leaders were not allowed to assemble and discuss how to resist laws to which they were opposed. When creating the Bill of Rights, the founders wanted to ensure that the right to peaceably assemble would not be restricted. They believed meetings to discuss vital issues of the day were essential to a republican form of government. Importantly, James Madison included the word peaceably in this clause to emphasize that this right did not extend to violent protests and rioting. The right to petition the government for a redress of grievances, as imagined by the founders, was created to allow individuals to take their complaints directly to elected officials. As stated by the Supreme Court, the right to petition allows citizens to express their ideas, hopes, and concerns to their government and their elected representatives. This concept has greatly expanded over the years and has led to the growth of a lobbying industry which now dominates petitions to the government. So why should the right to assemble and petition matter to us today? The right to peaceably assemble permits citizens to gather, collect ideas, and formulate requests. And the right to petition allows these requests to be taken directly to elected officials. Taken together, these two rights allow the voices of everyday Americans to be heard. Until next time, may your love of country lead you.